past when I was a child growing up. Those days were so fresh in my memory even till today when we used to go to the farms, have tender coconuts, eat those fresh mangoes, and it used to be so much vibrant when I was a child coming to these villages. There is so much of input costs that has gone into farming these days, be it water or pesticides, fertilizers. The input cost started becoming higher, so they lost interest in farming because it was not anymore profitable for the family to sustain. So slowly the villages became ghost towns, and today we see only senior citizens living in few of the homes.
I'd like to actually change the outlook of how agriculture is seen in our country. Most of the farmers are under the impression that they cannot get premium value for their produce. But you see, there is an increasing demand for organic produce worldwide.
We at Wellness took it up as a challenge that, we will go back to natural farming. We will try and demonstrate to the farming community that, this can be done. We are 360 degrees covered by hills, and the kind of air is so fresh. The sunset in the evening is amazing. Just imagine being in a paradise like this.
Now the important factor of natural farming or Vedic farming is the cows. Cows are basically associated for all the manures which are required. This is the cow dung which we produce. We use various products out of cows, cow dung, like Panchagavya, Agni Astra, Neem Astra, Jivamrita, Ghana Jivamrita. These are various natural products for fertigation and pest control.
What we're doing actually with natural farming is not just farming, we're trying to make it a sustainable model for other farmers to actually follow.
Olden days, what they used to do is, suppose they want to plant a rice field. So 45 days earlier, farmers used to leave their cows for grazing in that particular field. So cow used to put their gobar, gomutra, everything in for 45 days continuously, eating in that field only. And naturally, that field used to get huge fertilizers from the cow. If we do cow-based farming, our health improves, soil quality improves. You have all the savings in the life. It is like complementing each other. Farm waste is eaten by the cow, then they create excreta, cow dung, which is again put back into the soil, and it is a continuous rotation of things. Biodiversity is developed because of that. And very important is indigenous cow dung has millions of microorganisms in that. These microorganisms and earthworms are very crucial for natural farming. This what you are seeing here is a jantar. This is a nitrogen fixing plant. All the nitrogen is available in the atmosphere. We use it for nitrogen fixing and we use it for green mulch. In a conventional farm, any other our neighbor farm also, if you look at, there are 40 coconut plants growing in an acre of land. But this particular piece of land, as against 40, we have 1,200 different varieties of plants. From companion plantation or multi-layered farming, farmer can extract more income per acre from the same piece of land with same effort.
We had a partnership with Sheetal. So Sheetal is helping us make pickle with our mango. So she uses our raw mango as her raw material for her pickle. And she has different kinds of pickle, from a spicy pickle to a Maharashtrian pickle, Swedish pickle. It's just a perfect example of how we have found a more marketable alternative to our produce rather than just selling raw mango outright for a lower price. These little partnerships add value to your produce, and it just adds that 100 to maybe 150 rupees extra to what you can maybe claim to your product, as opposed to maybe a cheaper price. I think it's time for us to look at agriculture as a business model as well. Look at maybe getting better ways of farm fresh produce being accessible to consumers in our country.
The biggest difference is in the food. Basically, the food never tasted so good. Right now also whatever we are having, most of it is from our farm.
సుధాకర్ సార్ అభిమానంతో బుద్ధ అని పిలుస్తాడు. మేము బయట చేయాలంటే కెమికల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఈడ కెమికల్ లేకుండా న్యాచురల్గా ఈయన్నే రెడీ చేసి ఈయన్నే తయారు చేస్తాం. అప్పుడు మాకు అర్థం కాలే, ఈ మెథడు మాకు అప్పుడు అర్థం కాలే. ఇప్పుడు అర్థం అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టు చేస్తా వస్తా ఉండా, అన్నీ ఆ విధంగానే చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. ఇప్పుడు మేము కూడా మా ఊర్లో కూడా ఈ మారి చేస్తే బాగుందని మేము కూడా ఆడ చెప్తాం.
Our determination at Wellnest is to make a demonstrable farming rural economy that is sustainable, and we would like to encourage all the neighbors in our farm to join the revolution, and we will probably support them, teach them and demonstrate to them that this can be done.